Hello, good evening everyone. Today I will explain the difference between investigation and criminal investigation. First, let's talk about investigation. An investigation is the process of looking closely into a problem or situation to find out the truth. It can be about anything like finding out who broke a classroom rule or checking where money went missing or even researching for school. So, in short, an investigation is just searching for facts and answers. And now, criminal investigation. The criminal investigation is more specific. This is when the investigation is about a crime. For example, if there is deep murder, robbery, or any illegal act. The police or investigators gather evidence, interview witnesses, and identify suspects. The main goal of a criminal investigation is to find out who committed the crime and to bring them to justice. So, make it simple. The investigation is finding out the truth about any problem or situation. And the criminal investigation is finding out the truth, but specifically about crimes. And that's the difference between the two. Thank you for the listening, everyone.